Namaste, I'm Ankita and you're watching the Fit with Zone. Today we're gonna learn a technique called Bhujangasana, which is the best back bending technique in a hot yoga. Bhujanga is a Sanskrit word which means cobra, and the asana is a posture. So we're gonna learn this technique.
Requirement of this asana is to lie prone. Firstly, I'll show you how people wrongly doing this posture. Some people put their toes inside with the wide legs. Both legs needs to be together with the toes outside. And your hands by your chest and make sure your elbow is hugging the body and your forehead is on the ground. When we came up with the strength of thoracic, not with the arms, we came up till navel, not beyond the navel. Inhale and slowly raise your neck. Hold your breath here at least 15 to 30 seconds. Now exhale and slowly down and relax. One more time now with the counts. Inhalation 3 counts, hold 6 count, exhalation 3 count. Observe it very carefully. Inhale 1, 2 and 3. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Exhale 1, 2 and 3. Now relax in Makrasana with the legs apart with the normal breathing. Now slowly come up into the child pose and relax. The way in which head is raised in the final position is similar to the fan of cobra.
The purpose of doing this asana is to imbibe the qualities observed in a cobra: determination, alertness, and the intelligence, which are the most desirable for sadhaka in the path of yoga. Asana also develop a calm state of mind. Apart of mental benefit, it has tremendous physical benefits too.
The alternative contraction and relaxation can correct your minor displacements and tone up your abdominal muscles and strengthen your back.
So keep practicing this yoga asana and you will see the huge difference physically and mentally. Namaskar.